So it's a tough period for Dogecoin and other cryptos as the overall crypto market is under immense pressure. However, it appears that this might be the ideal opportunity to buy Doge on dips. In this video, I'll talk about why this might be a brief market downtrend and how investors can benefit from it. I'll also talk about some very important updates from the crypto world. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. So the crypto market is trading in the red during the last 24 hours, following the liquidation of more than $200 billion in cryptos and derivatives. As a result, the whole crypto market cap has fallen by $216 billion in the last 24 hours to $2.6 trillion. Besides, this enormous wipeout is the second this month, following the liquidation of leveraged derivatives trading on November 11, resulting in a $125 billion fall. However, market sentiment remains bullish at the moment. According to the stock-to-flow model, Bitcoin is anticipated to close at $98,000 in November. Plan B, the creator of the valuation model, has stated that the model is still valid and that he is convinced that Bitcoin will reach $135,000 by December, enabling other cryptos to follow the suit. Additionally, for market observers such as Crypto Burb, the dip represents a much greater purchasing opportunity than it does a selling one. Now coming to Dogecoin, it saw major resistance near 30 cents and retreated below the 20-day exponential moving average, which is placed near the 25 cents level. A move below the 20 exponential moving average on the weekly chart coincided with a move below the 50 exponential moving average on the daily chart, putting severe pressure on Dogecoin. And the widespread downturn of the crypto market acted as a further negative factor for Dogecoin. At the moment, Dogecoin's price is well above the 50-day exponential moving average, indicating that there is no meaningful defensive level in the near term. In this context, the current pullback may present a chance for investors, and it appears to be significant enough to justify strategic buying. However, to regain upside momentum, Dogecoin must break above the 20-day exponential moving average on the weekly chart, allowing it to move closer to the next key resistance level on the weekly chart, which is located near the 30 cents level. Meanwhile, I'd like to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor and this is my personal outlook. So don't consider it financial advice, and it is recommended that you do your own research before investing in cryptos. Now the question is it the beginning of a bearish crypto market or a pullback? Well, seeing the historical market trend and recent crypto market boom, it appears that the current market meltdown can also serve as a correction, allowing the crypto market to steadily climb to new heights in the near future. And if the market begins to increase gradually, it may establish a new level of resistance and support for all major cryptos. All in all, this market drop has the potential to be a healthy pullback in preparation for another upward surge, which is usual. So there is nothing to be worried about for investors. In fact, as stated before, this is potentially a great opportunity for investors to buy on the dips. However, we must look into the catalysts of this market crash, since it appears that there are a number of factors that contributed to this market crash. So a significant factor would be the Chinese National Development and Reform Commission's recent announcement, where it stated that the competent authorities will continue to control crypto mining, namely industrial-scale Bitcoin mining and associated state-owned firms. And according to analysts, the new rule will effectively shut down the country's last remaining crypto mining space. Hence, this is considered a major factor behind this market crash. And another major reason might be the rejection of VAN X Spot ETF by the US SEC. We know that the SEC has approved futures-based Bitcoin ETF, but the authority believes that the crypto sector is not mature enough for a spot ETF. Now it is important to note here that a crypto-based spot ETF would trade directly with the linked crypto, and the futures ETF trades in an opposite manner. Hence, analysts say that a spot ETF is more beneficial for crypto. Now there is another major reason that may have crashed the crypto market. So U.S. President Joe Biden recently signed the $1 trillion infrastructure bill, which is intended to fund major infrastructure projects, but the lawmakers also incorporated crypto-related language prior to the bill's passing in both chambers of Congress. As passed, the bill will impose stricter regulations on enterprises that deal in crypto and enhance reporting requirements for brokers. Additionally, the bill requires that all crypto transactions valued at more than $10,000 be disclosed to the Internal Revenue Service going ahead. Now the bill has become a source of concern for the crypto industry since it implements some strict requirements, and seeing these requirements, it is evident that the crypto market crashed owing to these concerns. Now these were the major catalysts behind the current market crash. However, as stated before, their impacts are short-term and soon the market will rebound. Now let's talk about some recent updates indicating that crypto adoption has been on the rise. So according to a latest survey, more than a quarter of Australians intend to purchase crypto gifts for loved ones this Christmas, and over half of them indicated that they would consider purchasing actual cryptos, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, as gifts, while 43% indicated that crypto-themed merchandise would be excellent purchases. Additionally, the survey revealed that approximately 42% of Australians were considering crypto vouchers and 35% were considering crypto books as Christmas gifts. Similarly, a recent report revealed that crypto is increasingly becoming a bigger source of revenue for charities. For instance, Fidelity Charitable has received more than $274 million in crypto contributions so far this year, nearly quadrupling its previous high of $69 million in 2017. And last month, the crypto donation platform Given announced that it had accepted the largest single Bitcoin donation to date, a $10 million Bitcoin gift to an unknown faith-based charity. Now it appears that cryptos are becoming an appealing donation asset because they enable contributors to avoid capital gains tax. Besides, this is yet another example that cryptos can be adopted in every sector and everywhere. And as per another report, Circle, a Boston-based crypto services company, has its sights set on Asia's burgeoning crypto marketplaces as the company aims to establish an official headquarters in Singapore in order to extend its geographical presence in Asia. Recently, Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire said in an interview with Bloomberg that the primary reason for making such a business move is the burgeoning use of cryptos in the region. Additionally, Circle also intends to encourage the rise of stablecoins used for payments and is presently hiring professionals to staff its Singapore headquarters, which will enable us to become one of the first worldwide stablecoins to be regulated in Singapore. On the other hand, Paradigm, a crypto investment firm, has recently announced the launch of a $2.5 billion new venture fund to increase its investment in crypto businesses and protocols. And according to the official statement by co-founders of Paradigm, Fred Aasum and Matt Huang, the fund and its size represent crypto as the most intriguing frontier in technology. Besides, this is the largest new venture capital fund in the history of the crypto field. Earlier this year, venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz raised $2.2 billion for a new crypto fund, claiming it was the biggest crypto fund ever funded. Meanwhile, Marathon Digital Holdings recently stated that it will fund $500 million in convertible senior notes to acquire additional Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining machines. So considering that the firm already holds Bitcoin in a large sum, the current financing plan to leverage convertible senior notes demonstrates the firm's continued belief in the exponential expansion of the Bitcoin mining business. At the time of recording this video, Bitcoin's hash rate was approaching all-time highs with the current hash rate of 181 exahash per second. Now coming back to the crypto market cap, in the last 24 hours, the overall crypto market has fallen by 8%, now standing at $2.6 trillion, and almost all major cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge have plummeted by almost 10% each. Overall, as I stated before, this market decline has the potential to be a good retrenchment in preparation for the next upward surge. So investors should not be concerned. In fact, as previously said, this might be an excellent opportunity for investors to buy on the dips. And this is it for today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.